the other side of sunset, just a little bit west of nowhere, you'll find a secret Yowasis where things are just the way they ought to be, with the Yowie watching over all.
The crocodile, one of nature's most powerful creatures. This modern-day dinosaur's physical traits make it one of the world's most potent predators.
Do you call these snails? I've had better food in cheap tide pools. I want to speak to the manager.
Stop it, Francois! Ugh, I'm sick and tired of you always complaining.
What kind of swamp is this anyway?
With its stealthy approach, the crocodile can go virtually undetected as it closes in on its doomed prey. With armor-like skin, dagger-sharp claws, formidable tail, and powerful jaws, there really seems to be no hope for the unsuspecting muskrats.
Francois, are you suspecting anything?
No. Why do you ask?
No, Lisanne. Just wondering.
Okay. How do I look?
Like you have a mushroom on your head.
It's no wonder that after 240 million years of evolution, crocodiles have survived. With their acute senses and the element of surprise on their side, there's virtually no defense against these magnificent beasts. Now let's watch as the croc goes into its final approach.
Oh, the croc is usually quite quick, but not quick enough for these clever little muskrats.
Will you put a cork in it?
Oh, I'm sorry. I just thought people would like to...
Look, Skippy.
It's Ditty.
Same thing. Look, you know good and well I'm not a crocodile. I'm Crag. I just needed someone to help me put lotion on my scooter.
Oh, should I cover my eyes?
No! Scooter are my bumps. Do you know what living in a swamp can do to my to-die-for skin?
Well,
Just because I hide in a swamp doesn't mean I don't want to look fantastic.
But you're supposed to be fierce.
Oh, I'm fierce. Fiercely attractive from every angle, that is. Now, see what you've done? I'm late for my Denti Petty. Now this is what I call evolution.